divided by 0.7, or we will just call it 3/7 minus 3/7I plus by 2/7J plus by what? 6/7K. Why I'm doing this step? Any idea? This stage is exactly, can you see what's going on down here? Yes or no? Right? I'm trying to make this so that we know in terms of length what is I, J, and K. Okay. Then we can relate this to our what? Our angular velocity and to our angular acceleration in terms of what? I, J, and K later on. Okay. So from here, now we can know omega U A naught. Okay. So our omega is positive 14, and then you have minus 3/7I plus by 2/7J plus by 6/7K. So this will be equal to minus 6I. Yep, plus by 4J, okay, and plus by 12K. And the units is in radians per second. So we know omega in terms of what? I, J, and K. Okay. So next, we can also do the same for alpha. So alpha, this is 7. We got minus 3/7I plus by 2/7J plus by 6/7 what? K. So from here, we know that this is minus 3I plus by 2J plus by 6K. And this is, it corresponds to radians per second squared. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so straightforward. Okay. So next, we know that velocity at point D, okay, is equal to omega cross, right, RD from point O. Okay. So by looking at, let's bring the diagram across. So RD or point D, D from O. So O over here is your what? Your reference now. Okay. And you realize that the plate is flat on XY plane. So this over here is flat on what? Because of the fact that it's flat on XY plane, J is equal to what? 0. Okay. So this will be equal. So in terms of I, will be positive 0.3I. Then in terms of Y, it's negative 0.4J. Now, why is I positive? So if this is I and this is J, going in this direction is what? Positive. And going in this direction is what? Positive. So for this case, in terms of I at point D, I is positive, J is what? Negative. Are we clear? So you have to do everything relative to its what? Orientation that is given. Okay, you don't flip things around. Okay. Right. So from here comes the fun part. So VD, okay, so VD is equal to what? Is equal to minus 6I plus by 4J plus by 12K cross 0.3I minus 0.4 what? J. Okay. So when we multiply both of them, right, we will get the answer. So let me put you to a very interesting circle. So next what you do is you draw a circle, you put I, J, and K. And you put this way as what? Positive, and this way as what? Negative. Okay. So VD is equal to I cross I. What do we get? Nothing. Okay. I cross J, is it positive or negative? So watch this. Okay, all of you put your pen down. Okay, just watch me. Okay, because this is so much easier than form a matrix. Okay, watch me. Okay, just watch me. Okay. So we know that I cross I is equal to what? Yeah, 0. I cross J, right? I cross J is going to be positive. Then you put the bracket minus 6 multiplied by minus 0.4, and you know that this is equal to what? K. Is that clear? Okay. Then the next one, okay, J cross I. Okay, so J cross I, now watch this. J cross I is in this direction, yes or no? Right? Positive or negative? Negative. Then you put down a bracket. So 4, so positive 4. The positive 4 is from here. And then positive what? 0.3. Right? Also positive. So put in positive. And J cross I is equal to what? K. Okay. J cross J, nothing. Right. Then the next term, K cross I. So K cross I is what direction? Positive. Then you multiply positive 12, multiply positive 0.3. And we know that K cross I, you get what? J. The last one is K cross J. So K cross J is this way, and it's going to be what? Negative. Then you have positive 12. You multiply by minus 0.4. And K cross J, and this is equal to what? I. No? Easy or straightforward? Okay, straightforward, right? So now 6 multiplied by 4, positive 2.4 what? K, 4 times by 0.3 minus 1.2 K, 2 times by 0.3, you know, is it 2? No, 12 times 0.3 is 3.6 J, and then minus will be plus 0.4 times 12, 4.8 I. So your final answer will be equal to what? 4.8 I plus by 3.6 J, 2.4 plus by 1.2 K, and this is in meters per second. Yes or no? Straightforward? Okay, now, the next one, oh shit, sorry, is A, acceleration at point D. Now is alpha cross RD plus by omega cross RD. Okay. So we can use some values. Okay. So alpha, we did do for alpha, right? Yeah, we did do for alpha. So now alpha is equal to what? Minus 3i 2j 6k minus 3i plus by 2j plus by 6k. All right, cross, and then you have what? You have 0.3i minus by what? 0.4j. Okay, then plus by omega. Okay, so omega is equal to what? Omega is equal to minus 6i plus by 4j plus by 12k, and then cross. Now, omega cross R you have already. Okay, this stage over here, this is your what? Omega what? Cross RD. Okay, or RD from point O. Okay, so from here, we know that this is equal to 4.8i plus by what? 3.6j plus by 1.2 what? Okay. Okay. So now just do multiplication again. So again, draw this circle. Okay, we draw this circle. We have this I, J, and K. Let me. So once you draw this circle, okay, anti-clockwise direction, positive, clockwise direction, negative. Okay. Now you do. Try this method out. Okay, I give you 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Yeah, come on. Okay, try it out. Okay, try it out. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Carry on and tell me what's your answer. First one to get the answer will have my lunchbox. Okay, it is sausages with celery, with Korean fish cake, and purple rice. No one is interested. Okay, come on. So this will be equal to, come on, all of you do it. Okay, so I cross J is positive. So 3. J cross is negative. Okay. Positive. Cross J negative. Okay, check. I cross J is positive. 3. Okay. J cross R. J cross R negative. Six or 3. K cross I.